English is a new shade of life.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Now. I'm Aisha. In today's video, we're going to learn 15 useful English verbs with real-life daily sentences. These are simple but very powerful verbs that you can use every day in real conversations. Listen carefully and repeat after me. After each verb, try to make one or two more sentences using the verb in question. Let's begin. Verb 1. Go. Go. I go to work every morning. I go to work every morning. Let's go home now. Let's go home now. Verb 2. Come. Come. Please come here. Please come here. She comes to my house every weekend. She comes to my house every weekend. Verb 3. Make. Make. I make coffee every morning. I make coffee every morning. He made a big mistake. He made a big mistake. Verb 4. Take. Take. Take your time. Take your time. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. Verb 5. Give. Give. Can you give me a minute? Can you give me a minute? She gave me good advice. She gave me good advice. Verb 6. Get. Get. I get tired after work. I get tired after work. Did you get my message? Did you get my message? Verb 7. Want. Want. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Verb 8. Need. Need. I need your help. I need your help. You don't need to worry. You don't need to worry. Verb 9. See. See. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Did you see him yesterday? Did you see him yesterday? Verb 10. No. No. I know the answer. I know the answer. Do you know her? Do you know her? Verb 11. Think. Think. I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? Verb 12. Say. Say. What did you say? What did you say? He said he was busy. He said he was busy. Verb 13. Tell. Tell. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. She told me a secret. She told me a secret. Verb 14. Try. Try. Try again. Try again. I'm trying to improve my English. I'm trying to improve my English. Verb 15. Use. Use. I use my phone every day. I use my phone every day. You can use this verb in many situations. You can use this verb in many situations. Great job! Now pause the podcast and try to make 1 or 2 new sentences for each verb. Practice every day, and your English will improve fast. That's all for today. Great job for practicing with me. Remember, repetition is the key to learning English. Listen again, repeat out loud, and try to use these verbs in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful English lessons. Like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Tell me which verb was your favorite, or write your own sentence using one of the verbs. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson.